Hello everybody. So once again, welcome to TYVOK. So today I come with engineering studio. The machine behind me does not have cover because I am in the testing studio. This is our testing machine for engineers. So today let's move to the most important applications. I am going to engrave different patterns and pictures. I have a very smooth, simple wood board, and on this wood board, I would be like to engrave picture with the speed of 1000 millimeter per second. Even with this high speed, you can engrave the pictures very smooth and clear. This engraving is very useful for students, short makers, and also for the small business. So let me show you the complete procedure of the engraving of picture on this wood board. So let's start the procedure of TYVOK 100-watt CO2 laser. So you just need to turn on the machine from this, and here we have installed 5 inches LED screen, very digital. So just click on the button and the engraving process will be started. Better, I mean, because I don't have any experience, so experienced makers can engrave the pictures on the wooden board much better than me. You can also use acrylic or any material you want. You can engrave with the speed of 1000 millimeter per second. The speed is very quick, you can save the time, and the result here you can see the final result. Everything is clear. TYVOK K1 100-watt CO2 laser. I am looking forward to your feedbacks, because your suggestions and your feedbacks, I always tell you in my every video, means a lot to us. So don't forget to share, your feedbacks to TYVOK. Thank you so much. Goodbye.